Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by charging both earbuds and the case so you avoid interruptions. The LED indicates full battery. Once charged, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop, open the case, and the earbuds enter pairing mode automatically. This saves time versus manual button pressing. Make sure to select Sennheiser CX True in your device Bluetooth list. You'll hear a pairing tone when connected. If nothing appears, close and reopen the case. Then you now focus on controls and software because they unlock functionality. Tap patterns control playback and calls, short tap to play/pause, double to skip, so practice until muscle memory forms. Next, install Sennheiser Smart Control to adjust EQ and hear-through. This explains why sound changes across modes. Once in the app, check for firmware updates and run them with the case open and earbuds inside. Keep your phone within 1 meter to prevent dropouts. After updating, test sound and controls again to confirm. You finish by optimizing fit and final checks because fit affects sound and call quality. Swap ear tips until you get a good seal, test bass and comfort for a couple of minutes. Then set hear-through or noise features in the app and make a quick test call to confirm mic clarity. If you hit a problem, dropouts, no sound, perform a reset. Place earbuds in the case and hold the touch surfaces for about 10 seconds, then repair. This clears most faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.